Most founders today ask me question, Vikram, how do I build a AI first sales team? And I think the question is wrong because AI doesn't do magic or change things overnight. Systems do, right? And it only amplifies what exists. Hi, this is Vikram here from 𝗕𝗂𝗵𝗺, and we are talking about a very interesting subject on how to build your AI first sales team, which is a very hot topic today. We have created a framework and urge you to download the framework and understand. We have just put our experiences on agentic and AI out there for you guys to understand better. So AI doesn't mean replacing your sales team. AI doesn't mean buying expensive chatbots or scrapers and agents and all these. So while building AI for sales team, we have to put your sales team at the center and how you are going to enhance their abilities and supercharge them and save them time and give them an AI assistant to close better, right? AI first sales teams run on signal, system and automation and not guesswork, heroics and memory, right? So that's the change. It's a human change and interesting topic. Please go through the report. Happy to answer any question. Thank you.